I welcome you all to today's video. In my last video, we started with how we can trade boom 300. We started with boom 300 trading strategy. Okay, so many of us don't know that there is an asset called boom 300 and there is another one called crash 300. So these are two fantastic assets that you guys should know about and how you can trade them. Okay, that gives you more opportunity within the market, because if you are the fan of boom and crash, then you have more opportunity, about 6 assets for you to trade at this particular point. This is making this very interesting. It is making the market very interesting and you can easily make a lot of profit with this. Okay, so right from my last video on it, I started with how you can trade it successfully and make some profit with it. Okay, we will continue from there and I will be going deeper into it today so that you guys will understand how to go about it. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos, and make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you start trying them on your real account. This is very, very important because this will help you to make a lot of profits at the end of the day, because you have learned the strategy behind it. Okay, it makes it very easy to navigate within the platform and of course to say a few things about what you want to do. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right away. But before we do that, in case you are joining us for the first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay, kindly do so right away and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay, before we go straight to the chart, let me quickly explain a few things to us on Jamboard, using this Jamboard. So if we are to trade boom 300, there are some things that are very, very important. Okay, there are some things that are very, very important, and one of those things are some things that are always, that has been constant in every aspect of trading. Okay, so I will be explaining some of these things right here so that we will know what to go for whenever we are trading. The first thing is the trend. Okay, the trend is always very, very important. In short, it is the most important aspect of every other trade, every trade. And if you are not sure of the exact trend to trade any of these assets, then you will be trading blindly. And of course, if you are not sure of if you are not sure of the trend, then definitely you won't be able to trade any of these assets. Okay, I don't know if you actually get that. Okay, there are two things about it when it comes to trend. Number one, you need to know the right trend to trade these assets. Okay, you need to know the right trend for trading this asset. Okay, if it is traded on uptrend or it is traded on downtrend, all these are very, very important. Then the second thing is you need to know the exact trend the market is before you can say you want to start trading it. Okay, so these are the two things that are attached with knowing the trend. Okay, so all these are very, very important for boom 300. Okay, if you are not trading the spikes there, then the best time to trade is to trade it is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, that's the best time to trade it. Okay, when the market is on downtrend, that is if you are not trading the spikes. But if you are trading the spikes, then definitely the best time to trade it is when the market is on uptrend. So once you have known this, then the next thing for you to know is to know your entry point and your exit point. So if you are not trading the spikes and the market is on downtrend, then you should know that that is when you should sell. Okay, you should know that that is when you should sell, because the sell signal goes alongside with the downtrend signal. So that is very, very important. But if you are trading the spikes, then you should know that you should go for a buy signal whenever the market is on uptrend. So all these are very, very important. So downtrend uptrend. They are very, very important for you to know in order for you to trade this asset successfully. Okay, so you should also know your support and your resistance level. Okay, all these are also very, very important. Your resistance level will help you to know when to exit the market or when to go into the market. The same thing is applicable to your support also. So all these are very, very important. For instance, when there is a breakout above the resistance level, then you know that it is buying at that particular point. But when it gets to the resistance level and it bounces back, then you should know that it is the best time for you to sell it, especially whenever it is coming from a major resistance level. Okay, the same thing is applicable to support region. If there is a breakout from this support region, then you should sell at that particular time. But if it bounces back at the support region, then you should know that it is buying at that particular point. Okay, it might not go for long, but it is going to buy for a while before the trend will stabilize again. So these are some of the things that you guys need to know before you start trading this asset successfully. So let's go straight to the chart to check out what is happening in the chart. Okay, and we will be going to boom 300. Okay guys, this is boom 300. Like I said yesterday, I just did a technical analysis without any indicator on it, but this time around I promise you that I will be sharing with you how to use some of these indicators to trade this asset successfully. Okay guys, starting from this support zone, okay, you can see that it's okay. Like I said, the first thing you should look out for is your trend. Okay, when it got to this support zone, it ended the downtrend because it was unable to break out from this support zone, so it has started an uptrend from there. Okay, so this is the best time for you to buy into it, and if you don't know how to trade this spike, you don't need to go into the markets within this region. If you should do, then definitely you are ready to lose some of your money if you are not very, very careful. Okay, all these are very, very important. Like I said, it is always important you follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so if you are the type that loves selling alone, then this is the best signal for you, this sell signal, because that is when it is on the downtrend and it is coming from a resistance level. So you can always come in right from there and sell till the next exit arrow, which is the blue arrow. So once you get there, you can exit the market, or probably once you have gotten up to your daily target, then you can always exit the market at that particular point. But remember, this is on a downtrend, so because it is on a downtrend, even if the market goes against you, it will still come back and put you in profit. That is why it is always important you use a reasonable lot size that will be able to accommodate your trading capital. That is very, very important. This is also another opportunity right here, because it is on downtrend. You can always follow this signal and trade till this. Okay, this didn't go too far because it's trying to break out from a support zone. Okay, so you can see it gave us another opportunity right here, and this time around it broke out from the support zone that was here before. Okay, it broke out from there and it went straight till it got to this level. Not that there are no pullbacks in between. Of course there are pullbacks in between, but they are not strong enough in order to claim back whatever you have earned right from your entry point. Okay, so that is very, very important. Once you understand some of these strategies, then you will be able to trade this asset successfully. Okay, here is another opportunity, guys. Here is another opportunity. You can see it right here, you coming in right here and trade till it got to this level. It's another opportunity. You can see the pullback that happened. After the pullback, we got our sell signal again. You can always come in right here and trade till the end of the trend. Okay, that is if we have not gotten your trading capital completely. Okay, I mean your daily target. Okay, if you are not gotten to your daily target, then you can keep on trading till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is so amazing. It makes it easy for us to trade this asset successfully. So you guys can try this out when you are less busy. You can go back to your chart, try this out to see how the market goes and to see how much you will be able to make with this. Remember, the first thing you should look out for is the trend. The next thing is to check out the support and resistance level. Then the last thing is to check out the signal that supports the exact trend that we are trading. Okay, and the exact trend we are trading is that of the presently we are looking at the downtrend. Okay, so you should go for the sell signal. Once you get your sell signal, you can go in and trade, and make sure you use a reasonable lot size so that in case there is a pullback, then you will still be able to hold on within the market till it gets you to the targeted take profit, targeted take profit. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, that will help you to milk the market successfully. Try this over and over, and let's see if you are able to get out, to end the day with something reasonable. Okay, this is how you can always grow your trading capital. This is how you can make some money. This is how you can set a target for yourself. Probably if you want to be making $100 per day, you can always achieve this if you follow this simple instruction. So I want you guys to try it out and share your result with me on my WhatsApp. So feel free to share your result with me, and I'll always be there to guide you and also to give you more tips on what to do in order to better off with whatever results you are sharing with me. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have more questions, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.